Hi, this is my topic is magnetic circuits. What are the primary objectives of magnetic circuit is become aware of similar between analysis of magnetic circuit and electrical circuit. In main objective is to identify the magnetic circuit and electrical circuit. Here developing a clear understanding of the important parameters of magnetic circuit and how find each quantity for variety of magnetic circuit configuration, and also being to clear understanding of magnetic circuit parameters, it is important components in design of electrical and electronic systems. It is clearly understand that due to the magnetic circuit and the electrical circuit, we are able to design the system. For suppose I am designing a system as a armature, it is clearly the designing of the system mainly depends upon the magnetic circuit and electrical circuit. The introduction, magnetic circuit and electromagnetic effects play an important role in design. In any circuit, it is depends upon the design, whether it is magnetical circuit or electromagnetical circuit. Okay, based on this mechanism, we have to design wide variety of electrical and electronic system in use today. Suppose there is a speaker, it use magnetic circuit, and there is an electrical circuit, it is used by the electrical system. Suppose the motors, generators, transformers, loudspeakers, relays, medical equipments, and movements of all kinds. Suppose medical equipment such as MMR. MMR is that magnetic motive resonance force. So like that, movements of all kinds of depends upon the magnetic effect to function properly. What are the primary objectives of magnetic circuits? Here, electrical current flow along the wire creates a magnetic field around the wire. As shown here, this is the according to the Faraday's law. That magnetic field can be visualized by the lines, that is a magnetic flux. Here I am asking a question, what is a magnetic flux? Phi. What is a magnetic flux? Phi. Please answer to the question, what is a magnetic flux phi, where it is occurred. Please listen to the question and think the question and answer. Magnetic flux phi. What is a magnetic flux phi? Okay, so phi is defined as a magnetical flux. Here according to the law, whenever the current carrying conductor encirculated with the here current carrying coil encirculated with the coil, it produces magnetic flux. So this is the magnetic flux phi. Okay, here electrical current flowing along the wire, creates a magnetical field around the wire. So this is the wire, it is carrying the current. Okay, this wire produces magnetic field, can be visualized. So this is the magnetic field produced by the current carrying coil. So coil nothing but as conductor. So it is called a magnetic flux, which represented with the symbol phi. So the direction of the field can be determined using right hand rule. So right hand rule is nothing but as Fleming's right hand rule. Okay, this is the Fleming's right hand rule. Whenever the current carrying conductor produce a magnetical flux, so that is called a Fleming's right hand rule. So this is considered as a magnetic circuit. So Faraday discovered it is a current flowing through the coil not only creates a magnetic field in the iron, it also creates a voltage across the coil that is proportional to the rate of change of flux. In the iron is nothing but as coil. So the voltage is called a electromotive force, that is represented with the EMF. EMF represented electromotive force, and it is designed by the symbol E, small e. Now Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction gives the formula as E as electromagnetic force and N is the number of turns of the coil d phi by dt. So d phi by dt represented the rate of change in the magnetic field. So that rate of change will be defined as differentiation. Okay, that is given as d phi by dt. So the sign indicates EMF is always directed that oppose the current created in the phenomenon, refers to the Lenz law. As we already discussed, Lenz law, it is referred with the Lenz law. So here there are two different form of a circuit. One is electrical circuit, another one is magnetical circuit. In magnetical circuit, the driven force along with the voltage, means the driven force is voltage driven. The circuit is given with the voltage and another circuit is given with the current. Here magnetic field, whenever magnetic field present in the circuit, it is a current driven. Whenever electric field is present in a circuit, that is voltage driven. Driven is nothing but as voltage form. So it is called as magnetomotive force, MMF, designed by the F. So it is considered as a capital F. So magnetomotive force is created wrapping n turns of a wire, number of turns of a wire. Suppose I am turning 3 times, so it is given as n is equal to 3 turns of a wire. So current is given as I. So magnetomotive force MMF is given as F is equal to capital Ni, ampere turns. So here there is a basic diagram, cross section area and length conduct. So this is called as conductor, it is driven with the voltage source. So it is called as electrical circuit. And another circuit having wires, turns. So these turns are represented with the N. I is the driven force of a circuit. This is the cross sectional area, length is given as L, permeability is given as mu. So this is called a magnetic circuit because current is flowing through the coil which is n number of turns, which having number of turns, flux phi is occurs around the circuit. So this is called a magnetic circuit and this is a electrical circuit. So magnetomotive force F is equal to Ni. N refers with the number of turns, I refers with the amperes. So it is called an ampere turns. So this is the magnetic circuit. Thank you.